Counting favors. The next major sin is reminding others of the favors they have done them, such as charity. Without a doubt, this cancels the reward of the favor they have done. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 264.
O you who have believed, do not invalidate your charities with reminders of it or injury.
It is such a serious sin that the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned in a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 2563, that the one who reminds others of the favors they have done them will not enter paradise. It is important for a Muslim to understand that if one acts and helps others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, then they should seek reward from Him. But if they remind others of the favors they have done them, it only proves they have acted for the sake of people, meaning they desire some sort of compensation from people. Those who perform righteous deeds for the sake of people will be told to gain their reward from them on Judgment Day, which will not be possible. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3154. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.